Move-in condition, charming stone home with over $75,000 in renovations. Beautiful, designer gourmet kitchen with granite countertops, custom, American-made cabinetry includes a built-in pull-out pantry and trash receptacle, copper sink, modern appliances and stone backsplash to match the character of the home. Beautiful hardwood floors throughout the first and second floors. $30,000 in energy-efficient windows and doors, installed in 2021. Air conditioning replaced in 2019, new boiler in 2018, washer/dryer replaced in 2017-2018, water heater replaced in 2019. Most of the high-cost items have been taken care of. Walk out from the family room to a huge covered porch with plenty of room for outdoor entertaining. Backyard was redone in 2019 with professional landscaping, a custom play area for kids and a new shed with granite potting bench. The lower level